Your Air Alarm 1 system is quite simple. Air Alarm 1 allows for up to 2 host keypads in one location, up to 8 remote control keychain key fobs, and the available up to 60 sensors that can be added to your system can compose of indoor sirens, motion detectors, door-window sensors, smoke alarms, a panic button, and an outdoor weatherproof siren. To add additional sensors into your Air Alarm 1 system is quite simple. Please be certain your Air Alarm 1 host keypad is disarmed. You may then access the settings with your 3-digit personal password or the system default password, which is 888. Begin by pressing Set, Password, 888, Enter. The code to add would be 70, Enter. Today we will add the remote control keychain first. Is code 00, Enter. Your Learn light will appear on the host keypad. This gives you a little bit of time. Now we will add additional sensor door window sensor to the Air Alarm 1 system. Please be certain your Air Alarm 1 system is disarmed. You may then use your 3-digit personal password or default 888 password to add the door window sensor. Begin by pressing Set, 888, which is the default password, Enter. Code to add is 70, Enter. And the door window sensor is code 06. 06, Enter. You then need to trigger the door window sensor twice by removing the magnet from the door window sensor once and twice. The Air Alarm 1 system will detect, recognize, and your door window sensor has been added. To add additional motion sensors to your Air Alarm 1 system is quite simple. Please be certain that your Air Alarm 1 host keypad is disarmed. Then access the settings with Set, your password, 3 digits, and Enter. The code to add a sensor is 70, Enter. Please use zones 11 through 15 for your motion sensor. We can begin with 11, Enter. You then have a couple of seconds to trigger your motion sensor twice. Please be certain that your battery has been installed. Turn your motion sensor on 1 and trigger twice. After the trigger has been received, your Air Alarm 1 will detect. You may then turn off your motion sensor, and it's ready to use. To add additional panic button sensors to your system is quite simple. Please be certain that the panic button has its battery inserted, and your Air Alarm 1 keypad needs to be disarmed. After disarm mode, please access the settings with Set, your 3-digit password, Enter. The code to add is 70, Enter. And use emergency zones 01 through 5 for the panic button. We may press 01, Enter. We then have a couple of seconds to trigger your device twice. Please press the panic button twice. The host keypad will recognize, and it is now added. You may then press Escape to exit. To add additional sensors into your Air Alarm 1 system, such as a smoke sensor, is quite simple. Please be certain that the 9-volt battery is installed into your smoke sensor. Check Air Alarm 1 system is disarmed, and you can begin by accessing the settings. Press Set, your 3-digit password, and Enter. The code to add is 70, Enter. Please remember smoke alarm uses emergency zone 01 through 05. You can use 05 and Enter. You then need to trigger your smoke sensor twice. Please use the Learn button located on the right side of the smoke alarm. Trigger twice. The Air Alarm 1 system will detect, and the smoke sensor is now ready to use. To add additional sensors into your system, such as the indoor siren, is quite simple. Please be certain that Air Alarm 1 is disarmed. You may then connect the indoor siren to the electricity outlet. and press the Learn button located on the left side of your indoor siren. The LED on the indoor siren will flash. Please press the emergency lightning button located on the host keypad once. That will cause the siren sound. You may then disarm by pressing Escape, 3-digit password, and Enter. This will create a flashing LED effect on your indoor siren, which indicates that the sensor has been added correctly. Finally, to add additional sensors into your system, such as the outdoor sensor, is quite simple. Please be certain that your Air Alarm 1 host keypad is disarmed. Find a suitable location outdoors for your outdoor siren and connect with the plug into your 110 electrical outlet. You may then press the green rechargeable button so that the battery can be charged internally. Then press the red Study button to begin the Learn process. After the button has been pressed, press the emergency button on your Air Alarm 1 host keypad. This will create the siren sound immediately. You can then disarm with Escape, your 3-digit password, and Enter, which in turn causes the outdoor siren to flash. This will indicate that it has been properly added into the Air Alarm 1 system. To add phone numbers into Air Alarm 1 for the dialing out feature, simply make certain that your Air Alarm 1 host is disarmed. Begin by accessing the settings. Press Set, your 3-digit password, and Enter. The code section to add a phone number begins with 01 and goes up to 05. In this case, we will go with 01. Press Enter, followed by your telephone number. If the number is out of the area code, press 1, area code, which is the 3 digits, and the phone number, the next 7 digits, such as 1, 222, 123, 1234, followed by Enter. In case there's a second number that needs to be entered, press section number 02 and repeat the previous step. You may then press the Escape button to exit the settings, and your Air Alarm 1 system is ready to dial out